Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna be making a simple background hover effect that's gonna look like this. So if I reload the page, we're gonna have emotes, and then once we hover the emotes, we're gonna have some transition, and then we're gonna be applying our background image that we have. So this is gonna be our project, and then here I have index.html, style CSS, and main.js. Even though we're only gonna need maybe like 3 lines for JavaScript. So we can start building this. So we're gonna have one div that holds sort of the boxes, which is gonna be called background. Then inside of that, I'm gonna have a div with a class name of box. And inside of that box, I'm gonna have an h1. And to add emotes or emojis for Windows, the shortcut is Windows key and semicolon. And I'm just gonna add this one, for example. So we're gonna need 27 of the boxes. So 27, we need to copy it 26 more times, this div with a class of box. So in total, we need 27 of them. So that should be 27, and then let's open it with live server. So that's what we have. Also, let's link CSS, because we're not going to be needing any more HTML for this. And here we want to link JavaScript as well. So let's go to our CSS. We're going to remove margin from the body. So the background div that holds everything here. We're going to make that 100%. And then we're going to be using grid for this. So we're going to have display grids, grid template columns, we're going to have repeat, and inside of that we're going to have auto fit, and we're going to have min max, (200 pixels, one fraction here). Okay, then we can target our box. Gonna add cursor pointer here, and we also want to center these, but I'm gonna be using flex here. So justify content center is to center them horizontally. And align item center is to center them vertically. And we also want to add some transition. So just opacity. And then if we go to our JavaScript, we want to select all of our boxes here. So we're going to make a variable called boxes. .query selector all, and we want to select that class of box. And then here we can target those boxes. So we're going to be using for each, and then let's say for each box we want to add an event listener for all of them. So here we can target the box. Okay, add event listener, and then this is going to be on mouse over, and we're going to pass an arrow function here. And the only thing we want to do here is add the opacity to 0. So we want to select that box, .style, .opacity, and we want to set that to 0. So right now, if we hover this, you can see how they disappear. So the only thing left is adding an actual background image here. And I'm gonna be using this background I randomly found on Google. So we're gonna be using that here. And then we're gonna have background position. And background size cover here. So if I reload this, and we want to add a background of white. Now if I reload the page, when we hover over, we can see them here. So that would be it for this short tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.